So, here's how you can remove every single video you've ever liked on YouTube all at once. First, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the Settings button in the top right corner. From here, scroll down a little bit and you'll see an option called Your Data in YouTube. Go ahead and tap on that. This will open up your account settings. Scroll down again, and under YouTube Controls you'll see an option that says Manage your YouTube watch history. Tap on that. Now, this will pull up all of your YouTube history, including your interactions. Here, you'll see video likes and dislikes. You'll be able to see every single video you've ever liked on YouTube. Now, if you want to delete them all at once, all you need to do is hit the delete button at the very top right. You'll notice there are 3 options. Go ahead and select delete all time to clear everything. From here, tap on the delete button again for confirmation. This will delete all of your likes, dislikes, and watch history. Once it's done, you'll see a message that says deletion complete. Finally, just tap on got it, and that's it.